The Tasty Tussle. Understanding food fight. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and somewhat messy phrase that you might have heard in movies or read in books. Food fight. No, it's not about arguing over the last piece of cake. It's something much more lively. So, let's get ready to explore this playful expression, understand its meaning, and learn how to use it in conversation. Imagine you're in a cafeteria, and suddenly, someone yells, "Food fight!" What comes next? Chaos ensues, with people throwing food at each other, laughing, and dodging flying pieces of pie or sandwiches. A food fight is an event where a group of people, often in a public setting like a school cafeteria, throw food at each other in a playful manner. It's not about being angry or hurting someone. It's about having a spontaneous and, admittedly, messy bit of fun. The concept of a food fight is not new. It has been depicted in various forms of media and popular culture, showing it as a humorous and iconic activity, especially in American high schools and colleges. However, the actual origins are hard to pinpoint. Some might say it started with silent film comedies, where slapstick humor involved pies in the face. Others might argue it's just a part of human nature to play with our food. Now, let's see how we can use food fight in everyday language. Here are a few examples. After the exam, the students celebrated with a harmless food fight in the courtyard. The movie had a hilarious scene where a food fight broke out at the wedding reception. Remember, it's all fun and games until someone starts a food fight in a restaurant. Notice how the phrase is used to describe a playful, chaotic scene involving food being thrown around. Beyond the literal meaning, food fight can sometimes be used metaphorically. In politics or business, people might refer to a verbal food fight when describing a messy, unstructured debate where arguments are thrown around haphazardly, much like food in a cafeteria brawl. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the phrase, food fight, and can imagine the colorful chaos it represents. Remember, while it's a playful concept, it's best kept as an expression or in fictional settings. Most establishments frown upon an actual food fight. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting English expressions. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.